In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. We'll walk through how to make text more readable by changing line spacing and adjusting the space that appears after paragraphs, all using Acrobat's built-in formatting tools. This works in Adobe Acrobat, not the free reader, because we need editing features. If you don't see the options I mention, double-check that you're in Acrobat Standard or Pro. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. At the top, go to the Tools view. From there, choose Edit PDF. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and brings up the Edit PDF toolbar so you can work directly with the text on the page. Click the Edit option in the toolbar, or simply click to select the text you want to modify. You can drag to highlight a portion of text, or click inside a text box to affect everything in that box. Once your text is selected, look to the right side of the screen. You should see the Format pane appear automatically. This is where all your text controls live, including font choices, alignment, and the spacing settings we need. In the Format pane, find the Line Spacing control. Open the drop-down to choose a preset value like single, 1.5, or double, or type a specific number if you want something more precise, such as 1.2 or 1.35. As you adjust the value, Acrobat updates the text on the page so you can preview the result immediately. If your text is inside a fixed text box, keep an eye on whether the content reflows or wraps. You may need to reduce the spacing slightly to keep everything on one line or expand the text box if it becomes cramped. While you're in the same pane, you can refine the look of your paragraphs by changing paragraph spacing after. This adds or reduces the space that appears after each paragraph, which is useful when the lines look crowded, even after adjusting line spacing. Increase it a little for a cleaner break between paragraphs, or decrease it to tighten up long sections of text. Use small increments and review several pages to keep the document consistent. When the spacing looks right, save your changes so they stick. Choose File, then Save, or press the standard Save shortcut. If you want to keep an untouched copy of the original, consider using Save As to create a new version. That's it. With the Edit PDF tool, the Format pane, line spacing, and paragraph spacing after, you can quickly bring your PDF's text up to a clear professional standard.